No longer are pieces of furniture mere structures of function. More and more, they are becoming works of art, taking on the personality of those who design, build, or buy them. Just take a look at some of these amazing designs from our local manufacturers. In September 2011, a redevelopment strategy of the local furniture and wooden products industry was launched by the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, the Jbdc. The aim was to improve the supply of Jamaican-made furniture and wooden products for the domestic and external markets. In March 2012, the Jbdc continued the thrust with a 3-day workshop to upgrade the design skills of local furniture manufacturers. The workshop introduced selected individuals to computer-aided design techniques. The idea is to have these persons train others in the sector.
We are responsible for stimulating growth and renewal in the furniture and wooden products. We have recognized that the consumer is very discerning and not willing to compromise on quality or design. Everybody in Jamaica nowadays understands trends. And more people are looking to purchase local products, and therefore we have to give quality products on the market. And the design piece is where we start in terms of production.
And so, international expert Robert Berry, owner of computer-aided design course, CADCO, was brought into the island to share some important knowledge in computerized designs. Participants at the Jbdc workshop were exposed to various methodologies involved in creating 2- and 3-dimensional drawings with TurboCAD, one of the leading software programs used to design furniture.
TurboCAD is extremely powerful from the perspective it is very flexible. You can do an architectural design, patent design, or furniture. So from that perspective, it is really powerful that you can use it across a broad spectrum, and it's not surprising that the program has been adopted across the world, and I think that the Jamaican people are going to be able to exploit the power of the product.
One of the features of the CAD program is that users will get accurate, detailed drawings of the product. This pre-designing tool gives manufacturers the opportunity to see development stages of the item right through to the finished product before actually assembling anything. This method also eliminates wastage of material during test exercises.
Once you've actually created the drawing, you can visualize it, do measurements, get very clear drawings. So these drawings are you actually going to be able to take to the workshop, and in some cases you print them out at a 1-to-1 scale, and the workshop user quite literally puts it on top of his piece of wood and traces it out and uses that as a cutting template for what he's actually trying to do. One of the big powerful things here is not only can you get the 2D dimensions out of it, but you can get the 3D visualization, which is excellent for customer presentation and conceptual design.
Individuals representing the furniture industry, Heart Trust, NTA, the Ministry of Education and Jbdc's engineering and design teams participated in the workshop.
This training will help me because I'll be able to send customers a drawing of what they would like, and they could interact with me and tell me the changes or the specification that they would like.
The participants, who are registered technical service providers with the Jbdc, will pass on this wealth of knowledge within the furniture industry through a series of training and direct design services. This is in support of island-wide design clinics, which the Jbdc intends to roll out shortly to micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, under the Furniture Jamaica project.
There has to be a common understanding in terms of what is required from a design. And we have to formalize that process, and this is in that context to build skills at that level.
The training exercise is geared towards enabling the furniture and wooden products sector to have a more visible contribution to industrial and economic development. The project will also help create employment opportunities while supporting the improvement of the quality and supply of locally manufactured furniture.
The person who developed the pattern, which is what the CAD is all about for furniture, similar to pattern for fashion, that person need not be the producer of the final product. So we have a new set of persons, their skills being upgraded to provide a service. So it could be called a service industry, but at the same time it's impacting in a positive way on the production process.